Hello, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech, and today I want to show you how Apple handles their return items. So my good friend of mine, he had some pixelation on his Apple Watch, and he called Apple, or actually he went to the store, to the Apple store. They looked at it and they said, we're going to send you out a replacement. And when he got it, he thought how cool it would be to show us how they handle sending you back a replacement on, and this one happens to be an Apple Watch. But before I want to open this their replacement, I want to show you what when you do buy an Apple Watch, how does that look, and then compare into a replacement model that they sent. As you know, the unique thing is that Apple sends this with they don't have return address or anything here. It just says AI, Apple Incorporated, or artificial intelligence, whichever one you want to go for. But anyway, they're very Apple. This is my Apple Watch, and I put it back so I can show you, so we can kind of reminisce how this was happened. But they're very nice box. This happens to be the 38 millimeter. Has the Apple Watch engraved right here. All right, so you can see that. And then, look at that, just beautiful. I forgot how this was already. Beautiful box. And then you got this nice square, strong plastic, and also engraved the Apple here. And then when you open it up, there's your watch. Okay, now this happens to be my watch. I bought the 38 millimeter stainless steel with the Milanese loop on that. Now since then I've had different types of bands and stuff like that, of which this one is the Milanese loop. Let me just put on my watch back on. Have I gained weight? Hello. All right, here we go. Boom. There it is. Excellent. I love my Apple Watch. But I wanted to show you this unboxing of how, when you buy it, either on the store or you buy it in the online, how they send it to you and all that. And then I wanted to show you how this one actually works. All right, so let's just put that here. Now, like I said, my friend had water on his, some kind of water seeped in on his stainless steel. It got pixelated. He took it to Apple. No discussion, no argument, nothing. They said, listen, we'll replace you and we're going to send you out a new one. And so they sent him a new one. And this is the unboxing to the replacement as well. Okay, so again, obviously there's a difference between that box and this box, but look at these guys. These guys, they do not play. Apple just doesn't play around. Just beautiful, beautiful unboxing. It's got the Apple Watch engraved in the box. It's got like a clear cellophane something. Look at that. Look at that. Nice box. Okay. Good solid material. You got the warranty. Okay. And then you have your watch. Okay. Look at that. Nice wrapped up, brand new 42 millimeter watch on its little wrapper. Just absolutely beautiful, beautiful, just beautiful. I tell you, Apple does not skimp in their packaging. And I tell you, this is one of the things that I enjoy about Apple. It is probably one of the nicest unboxings and packaging that Apple does. I really enjoy. That's why I'm just an Apple fanboy with that. But I thought I'd just record this short video and let you see the difference between this one. Let me get this one over here. Between the retail packaging and the packaging when a replacement is sent or anything like that. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some likes, give me some comments, share this video with your friends, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And I'll see you around in the next video. Thank you.